Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Shaun coming at you from High Level. So this is kind of a complicated one, but at the same time, super powerful. So this is the idea of creating smart knowledge-based triggers for your conversation AI. So the idea is, you can kind of see this on my screen. Basically, you get to control when the actual bot goes in and reads out of the information that you've given it. That's dynamic. And so basically, when you want it to go into the knowledge base and try to fetch an answer, versus trying to do it all the time or not doing it, whatever, it really gives you the ability to kind of sculpt that experience. So here's a great example of this. So here I've created a new trigger where basically I'm saying, listen, once a customer, it's a real estate kind of concept here, but once a customer has shared their budget, bedroom count, and preferred area, surface the matching listings from the inventory. So the idea is, hey, we're going to start off the bot. The bot is going to go in and try to ask these questions, but wait until they actually give us all this information. But then when they do, jump into the listing knowledge base, pull out the listings that match and give it to them. So you could do this all kinds of different cool ways. And obviously you can test it out like you'd want to here in the testing thing. Here's another example on my screen for like a high ticket sales case study, which is very cool. So definitely go in, you basically go in, you hit add trigger, you choose the knowledge base because you can have multiple knowledge bases, and you give it an instruction optionally, and then that's exactly what it does. So you can see right here, this person, back to that real estate example, they actually answer all these questions, and then boom, there it is. Hey, here's your best matches, Maple Grove, open plan, blah, blah, blah. So that way we're basically giving them real-time dynamic information, but we're only doing it when we want to do it versus doing it right out of the gate. We make sure that they're gonna get through those other gated steps before we fire it off. So this gives you a lot of control over that. So there is a changelog. When you get a chance, go check it out. It is, you can go to the top right-hand corner speaker icon or ideas.gohighlevel.com changelog. But for those of you who are working on conversation AI, I know that a lot of you, I think this will radically enhance your experience. So anyhow, on that note, I hope you have an amazing Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.